Today we took our pathway students from the Future Ready Manufacturing Center, brought them to Cargill's Innovation Campus to see really the work that Cargill does. Really it focuses on two of our pathways at the Future Ready Center, our automation and assembly and maintenance pathways, and learning what a technician or somebody in the field does daily, and really the work that it takes to get to a place like Cargill if you wanted to work there someday.
Automation is a multifaceted skill where I have to know not only ones and zeros in the computer world, but I actually have to know how things physically work to make it happen.
At the end of the day, there's a willingness to learn and a mechanical aptitude and a diligence piece. And those are really what we look for when we're seeing who would be a good fit here with the team.
It really allows the students to see what we do and how what they're learning is used in industry. Things like programmable logical controls, or PLCs, and learning what it is that you need to do and how it takes to get there into the industry and workforce.
It was nice to be able to know where different people came from to be able to get to a job like this.
I didn't know what Cargill was, I didn't know what they did, but they offered a job in the evening so I could go to classes in the morning, and I'd have a check to pay for my school.
It helps to see people like them and students that have gone through the same path. Seeing a West High graduate here and able to talk about her journey helps our students to realize that they're not that far away. You know, she was a 2017 graduate, so not a whole lot older than them. And to be able to see themselves and picture their future.
It takes everything I've learned over the course of my life to work on these equipment, because every day you never know what you're going to be looking at. It's all different.
I would just like to thank everybody in there. It was a really nice tour. My favorite part would probably be the chicken slicer.
Some restaurants and stores do slicing in back of house. So that's running one of those deli hand slicers like this, those stores wearing on that rotator cuff. Well, instead of doing a whole bunch of that, maybe we slice it in our plants with one of these industrial slicers that can run significantly faster and help make that product. It's also a little bit of a safer environment from a food safety standpoint.
Coming to the Future Ready Center means preparing yourself for whatever happens next. You know, we do a lot in aviation manufacturing or industries, but these skills that you're learning are going to be able to take you to a lot of different places, hopefully right here in Wichita, for one of our industry partners, but if not, to whatever job or career that you're interested in your future.